here tonight at the Bearside Club where Gordon Taylor's gathered his family from far and wide for a very special festive occasion. Gordon, tell us all about it.
Well, we just thought my darling daughter here from New Zealand's home with her family, and I thought it'd be a good night to get all our families that we haven't seen for quite a few years, which they are turning up tonight. And also we've got a cousin Mark who's 65 today.
Actually today.
Right,
yeah.
And he's bringing a few of his friends, and of course we've met some friends, we've invited friends of Joe and Andy, who they haven't seen for a few years, and of course we're making just a little bit of family party.
So it's an all-round good booze up there. None of your special wine tonight.
And I'm the daughter that don't drink.
Well, we'll have to change that, won't we? Also, we've got some karaoke stars tonight, haven't we, Gordon?
We sure have. And Joe, would you like to say something to your friends when you get back to New Zealand? Because this will be going back with you.
I don't know what to say.
Well, just say...
Well, they'll just get to meet all the family and friends that are in England.
And this is how we do things where they win
Pommy
World
style.
Cups at rugby.
I'm surprised I've got the England flags out.
Well, you never know. It's time to go, yeah. OK, we're going to have a great night, Gordon.
Yeah.
We'll see you a little bit later on.
Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Take that down. Two ounces to the right. 2 ounces to the knees. Everybody clap your hands. Turn it out. To the left. Cha-cha again. Cha-cha now, y'all. Cha-cha again. Turn it out.
His rendition of the Hamburg singing the Beatles.
The other side.
Gordon Taylor's party's in full swing, and I've got Gordon back here, and we've got all sorts of guests, and lots of things are happening. Gordon, what's going on?
We're going to have a walk round, and we're trying to introduce people that we probably won't see again, and it'll be a great time. If we can go into this corner first.
Yes.
And we'll go.
Did you want to be away with Andy, or what? Before
Well,
we
it's
do?
up to
How did the rugby result go down in your end of the country then?
It went down really well with me.
Yes.
But with the rest of the country, it didn't go down well at all.
That sounds.
And I was there.
Yeah.
I was there in my white England shirt, and the rest of New Zealand was
You must have felt, I don't know, pretty good and
awesome.
Right. Are we getting a touch of the old sweet chariot later then from you?
Yeah, but I'll tell you something though, New Zealand, awesome rugby team.
Oh, they are,
It's
yeah.
a pity we didn't meet them in the final.
There you go then.
Because
Okay,
they're better than Aussies. Far
yeah,
better than
well, I
Aussies.
think so as well. Hang on, who we got? We got Joe back.
Yeah.
And Andy's disappeared.
And we've got the Oxborough clan here,
Yeah.
which is Anne's sister's family. With on all my nephews and nieces, and that's their special brother,
Who is?
David.
Pleased to meet you, David.
He's not anything else but a special brother. And they're our special people. Aren't they, Joe?
Right, we're rocking and rolling.
If you see a big sign at the side of the road that says 50 miles to the Love Shack. Love Shack, yeah, yeah. Heading down the left side of the highway. Looking for the love, get away. Looking for the love, get away.
Right, Gordon, who we got now?
This is my side of the family and Joanne's side of the family. This is the 65-year-old today.
He don't look 65 to me.
He does to me, but he won't stop working.
I am 65.
Get out of the way, we've got only 10 minutes.
It's actually your birthday today.
And this?
Yes. It's my birthday today.
Right, then, Gordon, off we go. What we got
This
here?
is the Stiff family,
Yes.
which is like Aunt Madge is my mum's sister. And all these are really nice people, apart from him. He's the boringest sod in the town, and that's my Uncle Sid. That's Keith.
Can we do a close-up on Uncle Sid, please? He's on Crime Watch next week.
This is the daughter, Sexy Sue.
If we can pan right there,
Sexy Sue,
Sexy Sue. The matriarch.
the head of the family.
You're responsible for Gordon. well, 50%.
This is our Kevin.
Hello.
And this is me little brother. That we love each other so much.
And I'm littler than him.
And he's littler than me. But we still feel great now. And it's great to see you. Oh, my baby sister. This is my baby sister.
There's a family resemblance there with the kids.
Yes.
Oh, your kids.
Yeah, there is, yeah.
Oh, I like it.
Totally agree.
Lord Jesus, the fire he made. I love thee, Lord Jesus, under Christmas sky. Don't have me forever and I love you, Auntie Joker.
Big sister,
Carry on, Gordon.
who's married to Tony Bland, who used to be a great runner in his good days. He used to run rings around, I don't know where, and that is there. I don't know. It's like, I don't know what she is, but she's a fantastic person.
And Tony looks like if they ask him to do a karaoke, he's going to do a runner.
I'm running out of
Got you right there. Oh, here's the good-looking table.
Too right.
Gordon. Gareth Gates. Can I do as a pan left on Gareth Gates there, John? Gareth Gates, Garden Gates. Obviously, I can't really make my mind up for that. Is he an ant or is he a deck? Anton Decker. Anton Decker. Yeah, all these young kids, I don't know whatever he is. Yeah. Bacardi breezes with a straw up. Okay, Wayne, you're on the air.
Right, if you turn to your right, we have the lovely, delectable Dina, who Andrew has known since he was too young, and her husband David, with the slightly bald head. Behind him, the big lad, Graham. Who is known as Big Graham.
Big Graham.
Next to him is Wayne.
Small Wayne.
Small Wayne, actually, because I am Big Wayne.
Yes.
And we have Nick, the slightly balding, with the shiny head chap,
And that's
with the
obviously-
pint of lager, who does like drinking, Nick Moyer.
Big Moyer. Right.
This is Ange, which is Grace Parner, and as you can see, delectable Angela tonight, dressed in her favourite black trousers and black top. She's actually known to everybody as
Madam X.
Yeah, well, Madam X is a good name. You've left it there, I shouted.
What about Bunty?
Bunty's good.
Right, come on, don't hide, come on.
The young girl. Oh yes, we did forget Linda. Look at the beautiful Linda, who is the wife of Nick. Mrs. Moyer, just had a conservatory built, lives down Scather. A laugh all you want. Alcoholic, but she's coming out of it. Behind them, actually, if you can catch in the background.
The guy with the jewellery.
You can. Entrepreneur.
Yes.
Mr. Stevie Elvis.
Oh, it is. Oh, it's Stevie.
You know.
How's your dad doing, Steve? All right. How's Ron? All right?
He's fine. And his mum.
I'll see you later. I want a new fridge.
Come on, guys. Help us along. Come on. Trailers for sale or rent. Rooms to like 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pants. I ain't got no cigarettes, but 2 hours of pushing broom buys an M12 for through. I'm the man of no means, king of the road. Third boxcar midnight train, destination Bangor, Maine. All worn out suit and shoes. I don't pay no union I smoke old stories I have found. Sure, but not to be go round. I'm a man of means by no means, king of the road. I know every engineer and every train, and all of the children and all their names, and every handout in every town, and everybody like they know what's around. Trailers for sale or rent, rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets. I ain't got no cigarettes. I've got 2 hours of pushing through. 5 hours and holding through. None of means by no means, king of the road. Trailers for sale or rent, rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets. I ain't got no cigarettes. I've got 2 hours of pushing through. Rising in trouble through. I means by no means, king of the road. King of the road.
Okay, God knows it. Dave Tully.
Yeah, when he went to Amsterdam, he's going to tell you a tale.
Oh no, I'm not going to tell you a tale about
He
Amsterdam.
could tell you a tale about Amsterdam because it was actually my stag night.
Yes, it was this time.
Andy and Dave came along. Dave decided to go for an ice cream. So he told us. He did come back with a stain on his suit,
No, and
and I'm sure it was vanilla.
Was it the banana bar?
It could quite easily have been.
no, he offered me a sweetie and it turned my mouth black.
But he did enjoy himself, and we had a tremendous night. On my stag night, we will say no more.
Yes, that was lovely.
Too many friends.
Lovely.
Thanks a lot, Wayne. Cheers, Wayne.
Jane,
I'm busy,
very
Mum.
shy.
No, I'm busy,
This
Mum.
is
Trying to get around it.
Jamie. He did work for Andy. Oh, it must be 20 years ago. EC Electrics was the company Andy set up, and Jamie was his main workforce.
Come on, guys, help us along. Come on. Trailers for sale or rent, rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets. I ain't got no cigarettes. I've got 2 hours of pushing through. 5 and 12 for through. I'm a man of no means, king of the road. 3rd boxcar midnight train, destination Bangor, Maine. All worn out suit and shoes. I don't pay no union dues. I smoke old stories I have found. Sure, but not to be go round. I'm a man of means by no means, king of the road. I know every engineer and every train, and all of the children and all their names, and every handout in every town, and everybody like they know what's around. Trailers for sale or rent, rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets. I ain't got no cigarettes. I've got 2 hours of pushing through. 5 hours and holding through. None of means by no means, king of the road. Trailers for sale or rent, rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no pool, no pets. I ain't got no cigarettes. I've got 2 hours of pushing through. Rising in trouble. of the bridge. I meet my longings, king of the road, king of the road.
Right, I've got Anne Taylor, Gordon's beloved wife, and well, it's getting a hectic evening, isn't it?
It's been a beautiful evening. Everybody's here and we've had a really good time, and it's amazing to see family and friends from all over Grimsby.
And New Zealand.
New Zealand.
And other places.
Especially New Zealand.
Yeah,
It's
that's
been a
been
really... Well, I can't say. I've got all my family together, so it's really special for
So
me.
let's have a look then. You come and tell us who we've got here then. Who we've got round this table
Yeah,
here?
I've got my sister-in-law, Mrs. Kath.
Hey, Kath.
How are you?
Not so bad.
And we've got her family.
Who have we got then going round then?
We've got Kevin and Jackie.
Hi, Kevin and Jackie.
I don't know where all the Baines are. They've disappeared. Then we've got Peter.
Peter.
He's got his niece at the side of him. I've got my niece's husband here. I've lost my niece. She's over there talking to cousins, which are my...
These things happen, you know, aren't it, Pat?
Yeah. So we've got a good family mix.
And you've got one or two over here, is that right?
This is from Gordon's side. This is Gillian, Gordon's cousin's partner,
Yeah.
Brian. So
Yeah,
it's mixing, and over here we've got Joanne's friend who's very quiet. She won't.
I noticed that, yeah, she likes to drink, I think.
Yeah.
I can see that. Right then, Anna, I better, I can see Maria over there.
We've got my family over here.
Yeah.
Have you met James from New Zealand?
Who's this?
This is James. He's my grandson from New Zealand. Hello. Keen footballer.
He's a footballer, not a rugby player.
No,
I
he's
can
a
see by the
footballer.
shoulders, he's a footballer.
Manchester United supporter.
Oh! That was painful.
Top of the league.
Only just, yeah. Only
Pretty
just.
good footballer himself, aren't you now? Yep.
Good, yeah. That's great. Enjoying it down under then? Like
Yeah, I miss things that are in England when we're back there though. Like some of the clothes over there, they're no good, and I miss all the family lots as well.
Is he lovely?
He's gorgeous. Who's this one then?
And this is Kieran. This is my youngest daughter's son.
Yeah.
And this is his sister Katie. This is Katie. And this is Thomas from New Zealand.
Thomas from New Zealand.
Yep.
Never talk there.
Hello.
Talk to England. I'll tell you what, say hello back to New Zealand, because when you get back, you're taking this with you.
I suppose. Hello New Zealand. All my mates here. Josh, Aaron. See you when I get back. Party hard.
Enjoy the party.
Yeah, I am.
Are you
It's
doing
great.
the song later? Maybe not.
Maybe.
Yes.
I don't know if I.
Yes.
Apparently I am, but yeah.
Suzanne, a granddaughter. We've
Yeah.
got quite a few. We've got 5 granddaughters and 6 grandsons. Another granddaughter. Hello. A daughter. This is Suzanne. She's Suzanne. Hi.
We're actually filming here.
This
Oh,
is
what have you got in there? Are they any good?
Daughter.
Are they any good?
This is my little girl Annabelle, and she's a ballet dancer by trade.
She's not a singer.
No, I'm a singer in the
You're
family.
a singer in the family.
I'm a very good singer, and I've been mastering my art for many a year. But Annabelle is a little ballet dancer, and she's been doing it for at least the last 32 years. She's just a bit small.
Would you like to
today.
give the cameraman a crisp?
Not really. I didn't know ballet dancers eat quavers. I thought they had sort of diet and you know.
My mother has taught me everything I know regards my singing techniques.
And I've got a very big complaint about that. Yes. Because it's
You've got to make with all these kids. You've got to make yourself heard, haven't you?
Yeah, I've only got one.
Who are we going over the back here then?
We've got Matthew, the eldest grandson, with his girlfriend.
Hiya, Matthew.
Would you like to introduce your girlfriend?
This is Ollie.
Is that many? Is that many? We'll see you later. Right, table 275 with the Taylor reunion, and carry on.
This is Michael, my son, his daughter Cara, his wife Trish, my son-in-law George, my nephew Gareth, my friend Mark, my son-in-law David,
Hello,
my
David.
granddaughter Maria, my daughter Wendy, my grandson Kieran, my granddaughter Suzanne, Heidi. And we have gone a full circle.
That's absolutely brilliant. How's the army doing?
It's doing all right.
Still doing a bit, they're putting up with it.
Yeah, we're still cracking on. We're doing our own bits, so.
Keep up the good work. Right, table 572 at the reunion, and who we got now?
And here is Diane, it's my son-in-law's sister. Diane, she will introduce everybody, as I don't know all the names.
All right, that's fine.
Okay then, Diane, off we go.
Okay, so I'm on your sister. This is Deb, and my Auntie Doreen, and Bridget.
Hello, Bridget. Give us a wave, Bridget.
Of ours since we were tiny kids, and we've always gone on holiday together. So Bridget and Deb and Auntie Doreen and my Uncle Keith always went on holiday together, right from me and Andy being tiny kids. That's my mum, Andy's mum as well.
Hiya, Mum.
And Jenny and Dave, they're my mum's cousin and her husband as well.
That's brilliant.
Obviously, have
Yes.
been my mum's cousin for a long time.
Yeah.
And that's as far as I know around here.
Right.
And
Thank you very much.
these are friends, there's Val, John and John's brother.
Great. Right then, Anne, I think we better let the karaoke get back underway, and
Right,
if
thank
we've
you.
missed anybody.
Right, can we have Kieran on the stage, please? Kieran.
Thank you.
just stand still, 2 seconds. All I'm saying is, we wouldn't be here, apart, if she wasn't here, we wouldn't be here. And for her to be a grandmother, a great grandmother,